Hey guys, this is RR Aviation. Today, an Emirates 777 got damaged when an Ambulift crashed at Islamabad Airport on its engine clouding. When wheelchair passengers were embarking the plane, the truck collapsed and some of the passengers fell on the engine cowling. There were about 7 passengers, and some of them are very badly injured. The aircraft involved is an Emirates Boeing 777-300ER, a registration A6END, that has flights EK614 from Dubai. The liner at Islamabad Airport at 1:45 a.m. The flight was delayed. There was a substitute aircraft called A6EMT was sent to Islamabad as its ferry flight from Dubai, and then later it departed Islamabad after a delay. It's certainly a very tragic accident. END is right now grounded at Islamabad Airport. It's pretty unclear how will they send the engine cowling to Islamabad. Maybe Emirates will send a sky cargo aircraft or just lease an Antonov. We surely don't know who to blame for this incident. Maybe we have to blame Gary's, but it's very unclear. The engine got really badly damaged, and hope the plane gets recovered soon. According to airport officials, the Emirates plane was departing for Dubai when the incident took place. So thank you for watching. Hope all the passengers who are seriously injured get fast recovery, and hope the plane A6END gets back to flying soon. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Sorry, the voice is a little cracky as I'm not feeling the best. There will be more Pakistani Avtalks coming soon, so stay tuned.